picture this. It's the mid 1980s, and you're using a camcorder, but you don't like the audio that is coming out of your camcorder. So what could you use? At that time, what tech was there? What products existed to improve the audio of the everyday, prosumer, hobbyist camcorder user? Well, one option is something like this. This is the Sima CamMike. And while it may sound how it sounds, it's a delightfully retro piece of trash tech. So let's take a look at the unboxing when I open this from Goodwill. Well, I just picked up this and just immediately, there's a price, $6.99 at Goodwill. But immediately I knew I had to get this. This is from, you can't quite see it. It's from Sima Corporation. And Sima sold kind of budget-friendly video stuff like this. I just love this. 50 to 18,000 hertz frequency response and high sensitivity extend the range and sound quality of on-camera recording. Includes coiled plug-in cord and shoe adapter for mounting directly on your camcorder if you do happen to have a shoe. 25-foot plug-in cord lets you clearly record remote candid interviews. Windscreen for close range and outdoor use. Handsome padded protective storage case included. 1 AA battery required, not included. I saw this and I was just like, oh man, I gotta get this. Look at that. Just her hair and everything. That's beautiful. But let's take a look inside. This is just like a throwback device. It's super retro. It's one of these things where you gotta push it out from the other side. There's the handsome padded carrying case that is included. Sima right on the badge. A little snap. Like that. You don't get stuff like this anymore. Oh, it is a handsome pad. Let's check this out. Let's see what we got in here. This is our coiled cord. And as you can see, kind of, it's definitely a 3.5 millimeter, but it looks like it's just TRS, probably just mono. So if you want stereo, you'd have to get a stereo adapter or, oh wait, hold on. There's another one. It comes with one attached. So what's this for? This is just in here. What? This looks like one it goes to like headphones or something. It's got like that flared tip. Anyway, then there's one in here that's just attached. Here's the microphone itself. That's definitely metal. Not very expensive metal or sturdy. There it is. Comes with an on switch. Definitely not powered. And yeah, like most of these. Oh, hold on a second. So there's our battery compartment. It looks like this part actually comes off. Let's see. Unscrew it maybe? Yes, you unscrew it. And then we've got the other one. You just pop right in there. So if you want the longer 25 foot, there you go. If you're just using it directly on the camera, there it is. So like I said, here's a shoe adapter. Got tons of these laying around. But for example, here's my Sony camera with the hot shoe on there. And I can just slide this right in there. Ooh, yeah. And then pop this in the holder, mic in the mic slot there. And hey, you've got a run and gun audio video setup. So moving on, little windscreen, little dead cat, some interview action. So definitely corroded batteries. These batteries look almost as old as I do. These are like 30-year-old battery. That's absolutely insane. We'll be using those. So a little bit of corrosion on. We got the warranty card. We'll probably send that in, see if Sima Products Corporation, 4001 West Devon Avenue is still there. Either sales record. Oh, it comes with a catalog. Yeah, we have to look at the catalog. Sound catcher, wireless remote microphone for video cameras. Wow. Camlight 2 mini quartz video light. Booster box, amplifier plus dubbing cables. Video Pro, the walking tripod. Oh no. What's this one? CamPod. Lightweight video camera monopod. Yeah. CamMike, that's what we have. Phone pack, cordless telephone carry case. Yes. I want these. Video title tabs, videotape titling kit, nerd copy kit, transfers your home memories and slides onto videotape. No, it does. That's a mirror. What is this? Imagine viewing your home movies and slides on your own TV set. No more screen and projector setup. No more threading or rewinding, and no more packing up afterwards. Combine all your 3-minute reels onto one uninterrupted tape and add sound to silent movies all in your own home with the Sima Copy Kit. Simply protect your films and slides onto the... Simply project your films or slides onto the brilliant distortion-free mirror. Yeah, it's a mirror. And use any video camera to tape from the oversized rear projection screen. No lens attachments are necessary. What? That's insane. They're selling a mirror, fancy mirror. But anyway, some of these look really cool. I'd like to find a sound catcher if I could. If I want to find one of these. So yeah, this is a electret condenser mic. Takes a AA battery. The noise floor is not horrible, but it's supposed to be used actually. You can use it like I'm using it, or you can use it, mounted onto the camera. And it comes with a little cold shoe mount. So then you can use it like that. And it's very directional. And in the instructions it says like it's good for like a group of people, and it's sensitive up to 8 feet. Like this is not, but it's not bad for the time. I got this for $7 at Goodwill. I would not recommend paying more than $10-11, but just a cute little bit of trash tech, a retro addition to the vintage e-waste pile, perhaps. I'll probably keep it around because of all the accessories it comes with. It is, kind of nice. This mount, for example, this cold shoe mount is very useful. And it comes with this 25-foot cable, 3.5 cable. And it just runs 3.5 to 3.5. This plugs into any modern mirrorless camera with a mic input. Plugs into a GoPro with the right adapter. Plugs into this 2018 camcorder. So it has its uses. Is it the best solution? Maybe not. Compared to a Rode mic or something. Maybe not for client work is what I'm saying. But if you want that kind of camcorder 90s retro vibe, this could be something to look at. So there you go.